Shut up and sit down.
We're going to look at tips using PowerPoint now. Two things I want to mention in PowerPoint is the ability to use screen recording in PowerPoint. And I won't just show you how to use it, I'll tell you why you might find it useful, and also the built-in design ideas in PowerPoint. Okay, let me go actually to PowerPoint now. Okay, think of this situation when, again, perhaps when you're in an office environment, if one of your colleagues sitting next to you or nearby, somewhere within walking distance, let's say, if they ask for your help on how to do something on their computer, on an application, how do I do that? What would you do? You'd go over to them and you would show them. Okay, when we're not able to do that and we want to help our colleagues, friends, whatever, in order to do something on the computer, what could we do? What could we do? If we've got somebody that's asked us a question, they're not sure how to do it, we're not physically able to go beside them, how would you help them do it? Various ways, I guess. We could have a Teams call, share the screen, for sure. We could put together a quick reference guide, which would involve taking screenshots, writing text. Yeah, we could do a Teams meeting, but what if there's a time difference? Okay, and we can't, be in the same time zone. Here's a good solution. In PowerPoint, you've got the ability to do screen recording. Okay, so if after this session, somebody says to me, let's say I didn't record this session, somebody said to me, "Oh, Steve, how did you do that thing in OneNote?" Okay, and I would say, if we had a video, I would point you towards it. If we didn't, I would do something like this. Turn on screen recording. I can record audio. I can set the screen area that I want to record. So anything within those red dots now, once I press record, will be recorded. So everything I do in here is going to be recorded. So I would actually do the same process that I want to show somebody. So I would say, in order for me to extract text from a picture, I would insert the picture. Everything that I do is being recorded for people to watch back. So any process. And then I'll talk through it. I'll say I'll right click, copy text from picture. So I'm essentially doing what I want them to see, and then I would stop recording. It does put it in PowerPoint, but what I tend to do here is there's a video that I want to share with the people. There's audio in there as well, because people kept the audio on. I would then right click, save media as, and it saves it as a media file that I can then, there's one I did on Excel for somebody the other day. And I'll save that and I would send it via email or share it from my OneDrive. And I've done that a couple of times for people that have asked questions in the Cube forum. If we don't have a video for it, I'll do a quick screen record and share it up there. So it saves us having to create a reference guide with screenshots, and you're getting exactly what you need to see. Okay, so I've used that a lot when working from home, when, like I say, clients ask, how do I do that? How do I do that? And it's sometimes a lot easier just to see the process happening for real. What do you think? What do you think of that one? Can you see yourself using that? Just remember, it does require you to go into PowerPoint, save it there. It's great. It is. I mean, don't get me wrong, there is lots of other applications out there that do screen recording, but you might have to pay for them. It's something you've not perhaps already got. PowerPoint does it just as well. It's I'll go back in here actually. It's very basic. We can't really edit the video. At most, what I can do is trim the start and end of it, like that. I can't cut parts in between. I can't do all that. I can trim it. I can do that. In order for, I guess, a more in-depth video like we put in Cube. There's other applications that are used for that. This is a quick solution, that will save you time, so you don't have to create all these screenshots. Okay, let me not save that one. Yeah, it's a quick show me how. Show me exactly how. Because sometimes, don't get me wrong, reference guides with screenshots are good, but it's not showing you everything, is it? You're having to kind of fill in the gaps sometime as well. Here, there's no gaps.